Natural Wisdom presents 3 natural cough remedies. Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share with you 3 natural ways to handle coughs and colds that we all use in our family from generations. They are all very effective, but please note that I'm not a doctor, I'm just sharing personal experience with you. Number 1. The first remedy we use always when someone in the family has a cold and cough is very simple. You just need to combine 1 tablespoon each of organic honey, virgin olive oil, and ground ginger paste. Mix this very well and eat small amounts of it throughout the day whenever needed. This quantity is enough for 1 person for a day. Honey has lots of antioxidants and hence its healing properties. The olive oil will help release mucus from your body. The ginger will warm up your throat and help this process too. Number 2. For the second method, you will need 1 black radish and some organic honey. Make a hole in the radish and pour some organic honey inside. In a few hours, the radish will be full of liquid, which is a mixture of its own juice and the honey. Take this syrup a few times a day. It will effectively and fast relieve your cough and help you release mucus. The same radish can be used a second time and filled again with honey. Number 3. For this method, you will need the peels of 4 to 5 old onions and 5 to 6 whole walnuts. Crush the walnuts and put them together with the shells and the onion peels in 1 liter of water. Boil this for 15 minutes and drink it as tea throughout the day. I hope you stay healthy throughout the winter and these remedies help you whenever needed. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us spread the message of natural wisdom. Thank you and see you next time!